F4U Corsair center consoles are covered in aluminum. And the F2 1 are covered in fabric. Same power plant except the 3-bladed prop in front of the 4-bladed prop in front of the F2 1 Corsair. F2 was built by the Kujo. Also known as a man-made fighter of the Corsair aircraft, was built as a carrier-based airplane with a range. They didn't like the way the airplane landed on the carrier deck, said it bounced too much. Actually, carrier deck for different carriers excited all the time. Again, known as a man-made fighter, because that country for a reason. That great big R-2800, about the biggest engine produced during World War II. So what they did, they bent the wings and made them the shorter landing gear. Kept the structure in the shorter landing gear. Got the airplane, got the hot pad, and so before it was during World War II. One of the fastest fighter during World War II. If I wanted to buy, it's going to be about $2 million to replace this airplane today. When it's empty, when it's lean, it weighs about 8,600 pounds. When it's full of gross takeoff, combat load takeoff, it could be more also. And between flights, Stan attended the medical school and trained as an anesthesiologist with a subspecialty in pediatric anesthesiology. He has been a board certified obstetric and does ambulance medical exams as well. Oh, there's a nice shot there. There's the Corsair coming. Oh, 2800 coming by. Nothing like the sounds of the wind. Big old round crack with the engine out of wind. Again, 2,800 cubic inches in front of that airplane. Transport up to Alaska doing Airshow. I say I was coming through what's called down and goes flaps down here down, drive the airplane right down there to the center line for us.
Right there.
Leaves him a little camera up on the cowl.
See him now?
Not if you doing
One monitor up on the hood.
Right, there you go. Yeah, I wouldn't go all the way to the end either. Good Lord, the prop on that thing.
See him now?
Chop your veggies with that.
Man, what's up, Doc?
Jimmy Gordon up our flying to the P-51 Mustang. This is Mustang, the strongest trade to